Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with my brand new Motorola G85 Android phone. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at the flip for Do Not Disturb feature. Okay, so to turn the flip for Do Not Disturb feature on, you will need to follow the steps that I'm about to show. So simply go into the settings and scroll down to where it says gestures, and then scroll down to where it says flip for Do Not Disturb, and it explains how this works. So it blocks notifications for calls and messages by turning your phone face down, but you'll still hear alarms in Do Not Disturb mode. And you get a demonstration as usual as to how it works. But you know, I'm also going to demonstrate it as well. So just go ahead and turn it on. So now that it's enabled, I'm just going to go back to the home screen and call my mobile phone and test out the flip to Do Not Disturb feature. Okay, so let's go ahead and call my number. Okay, so the phone's ringing. So let's flip it to Do Not Disturb. And as you can see, it's now stopped ringing. And this is a very useful feature. Let's say you're in an important meeting and you forgot to put the phone onto silent mode or airplane mode, and it accidentally goes off. You can just quickly flip it over to stop it from ringing. So you get no distractions, no interferences within the meeting. So yeah, this is a really cool feature. Thought I'd share this with you all. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. Motorola for the win.